I'm a cool girl. I'm a cool girl. Ice cold. I roll my eyes at you, boy.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Christine and I would love for you to join my YouTube family by clicking onto the subscribe button as well as the notification bell beside it so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. For today's video guys, I will be doing a makeup tutorial on this makeup look right here. This is actually the makeup look I was wearing on my FOCALLURE Velvet Mist Lip Clay review and swatches video. Some of you requested for a makeup tutorial for that makeup look. So here it is guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and if you're interested, then just keep on watching. Obviously guys, I've already filled in my eyebrows off cam and right now I'm going to moisturize my skin using the Iwhite Korea Aqua Moisturizer Glow. I really love this formula because it is really lightweight. So I love using this for everyday moisturizer. So I just apply this all over my skin and massage it using my fingers. For my primer, I have been loving this product recently. This is the Maybelline Master Prime Blur and Smooth Primer. I'm just going to grab a little bit of this and apply it all over my skin. Since the eyeshadow look I will be doing in today's video is a very simple eyeshadow look, I'm going to start off by applying my base makeup. For my foundation, I will be using the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation in the shade White 365. This one is a little bit darker compared to my skin tone as you guys can see. So I like mixing this with a lighter foundation and for that I will be using the Squad Cosmetics You Can Face It Foundation in the shade Ivory. I have been loving this combination recently because it covers my imperfections but it does not look cakey at all. So I'm going to do one pump of each of this foundation. So I can still see few imperfections on my skin. So for that, I will be using the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer to cover them up. I will be using the shade Natural Rose. I will also use this concealer to cover up my dark under eye circles. To further highlight the center area of my face, I will be using the Careline Acne Spot Concealer in the shade Oriental. To contour my face, obviously I'm going to use my favorite contouring powder which is the Wet n Wild Contouring Palette in the shade Dulce de Leche. For my go-to eyeshadow look, I usually use the Squad Cosmetics Squadlet palettes, and the two shades I love to use is the shade Stylish and Serene. I love these two eyeshadow palettes because it is really easy to use. It has a perfect everyday shades, and I also love using the glitter topper that it comes with. It makes my eyeshadow look 10 times more better, and it makes my eyeshadow look more put together. So I love using these eyeshadow palettes. So the first thing I do is I grab a huge blending brush like this one, and then I'm going to take the palette Serene, and then I'm going to take the darkest shade from this palette and apply this all over my eyes up to my crease. Then after that, guys, I just usually grab any of these two glitter toppers and I just apply this on my lids. With the glitter topper, I usually just apply this really messily across my eyes because I want the glitters to look scattered all across my eyelids, but I mainly focus this on the inner corners of my eyes. I really love these glitter toppers from the Squadlet palettes by Squad Cosmetics. It adds a really nice dimension on your eyes. So for my lower lash line, I usually just leave it bare, but for today's video, I'm going to apply this shade right here from the Serene palette. Just a little bit, and I will apply this mainly on the outer corners of my lower lashes. So this is our finished eyeshadow look. I'm just going to apply some mascara and false eyelashes, and I'll be right back. As you guys can see, I already have my false eyelashes on, and for some of you who don't like applying false eyelashes, you can definitely skip it and just apply some mascara. I did not put any mascara on my lower lashes because I feel like it looks more romantic or girly that way. I like the look of bare lower lashes recently, so I did not put any mascara on my lower lashes. So now, let's move on to our blush and highlighter. For my blush, I recently have been loving the Saniya blush and highlighter palette. This one actually is a really nice product. You get 6 shades of highlighter and 6 shades of blush, and this one is really nice, especially if you're a freelance makeup artist, because it is really affordable. Plus, you have a lot of color selection to choose from. So I'm just going to grab a blush brush, and for my blush, I will be using this shade right here. For my lips, I recently been loving these two right here. This one is the Squad Cosmetics Multi-Purpose Mousse Cream in the shade Bubbly. I love this one. My mom also loved this shade. And then the other one is the FOCALLURE Velvet Mist Lip Clay in the shade 104. I love this one as well. But for today's makeup look, I will go for the FOCALLURE one. interested about this FOCALLURE Velvet Mist Lip Clay, I actually have a review and swatches video for this product. If you're interested, I will put the link on the I button right here, and I will also leave the link on the description box below just in case you're interested. But this product right here is one of my holy grail lip products this past few weeks because it is really comfortable on the lips and the shade selection is really nice. So if you want to know more, definitely check out my review and swatches for this lip product. So that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you like our finished makeup look and I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. If you have any requests for future videos, make sure to leave them on the comment section down below. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video to your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!